Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about bulk foods, specifically dried beans. You can get all sorts of dried beans: kidney beans, black beans, pinto beans, navy beans. Now, something interesting is, in different parts of the country, they refer to one type of bean as pea beans. What type is that? Well, that's the navy bean or the white bean. And there's actually a couple different types of white beans, but the navy bean is the most common. And some companies refer to them as pea beans, and that would be Campbell's soup refers to them when they put it in their soups. They refer to it as a pea bean instead of a navy bean. So, whatever type of beans you want to get, singular or multiple, get some. They keep for a long time. And if you take that bag of beans and you make sure that it has some moisture absorbers in it, and you get all the moisture absorbed out of it, and you drop that bag in the freezer for a week or two or three, anything living in there is going to be frozen and killed. So when you go to store it, it's not going to have something growing in there. And with the moisture all out of it, you're not going to get ice build up on it when it defrosts. All right? So store your beans in a cool, dry space. Keep them in a container that'll keep rodents from getting into them, and keep other bugs and insects from getting to it and laying their eggs and having larvae and stuff growing in your beans, all right? So, before I take off, I'm going to put the link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up here. It's got some great preparedness videos over there as well. And I'm going to put a playlist here to the Prepping in Private series. All right, so take care, stay safe, and I'll see you around.